In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sign-up forms for your Shopify store using Klaviyo. If you're looking to engage your customers more effectively and grow your email list, creating compelling sign-up forms is a great place to start. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to set up your forms in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Klaviyo account. Make sure you have your credentials handy and that you're accessing the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Shopify stores. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various options. Click on Sign Up Forms, which is the feature we'll be focusing on today. When you access the Sign Up Form section, look for the Create Sign Up Form button. You can't miss it. It's usually positioned prominently to guide you through this straightforward process. Click on it to start crafting your new form. Now comes a fun part, deciding on the look of your form. Klaviyo offers a variety of templates to choose from, each designed to serve different needs and styles. If you find something that resonates with your brand, go ahead and select that template. Alternatively, if you have a specific design in mind and want to tailor everything from scratch, Klaviyo gives you the flexibility to do that too. After you've chosen your template or set the foundation for your custom design, it's time to personalize it. This step is crucial because it's your opportunity to create an inviting and cohesive experience for your visitors. Focus on customizing the text to align with your brand voice. Make sure to adjust fields as necessary. Consider what information you truly need from your customers. And don't forget to incorporate your branding elements, such as colors and logos, to make the form feel like an extension of your store. Having fine-tuned the appearance, we'll turn our attention to functionality. Click on the email opt-in settings. This feature is pivotal as it helps ensure that any email addresses collected comply with regulations such as GDPR and are ready for future communication. Next, navigate to the targeting and behavior section. Here, you can set up when and where your form appears on your website. You might want your form to display on exit intent or only when accessed via a mobile device, depending on how your customers shop. This targeting ensures that you're capturing the attention of potential subscribers at the most opportune moments. After configuring where the form will appear, specify the platform, which in our case is Shopify. This selection ensures that the form integrates smoothly with your online store. Finally, with everything set up and ready to go, click on Publish. At this point, your form will go live and you can start benefiting from enhanced customer engagement and data collection. And that's it. You've successfully created a sign-up form for your Shopify store in Klaviyo. Remember, tweaking and testing your sign-up forms periodically can lead to better results and increased conversions over time. Thanks for watching and happy growing.